What is the slope of tangent line to this curve at the point 0, 1? The slope of the tangent line to this curve is the derivative dy over dx. So if we differentiate this equation in terms of x, the derivative of this exponential function is equal to e to the x squared minus y times the derivative of x squared minus y, chain rule, right? So 2x minus dy over dx minus the derivative of x times y, we have to apply the product rule. So derivative of x, that's 1, leave y alone, plus leave x alone, derivative of y is dy over dx. And this is equal to derivative of 1 over e. This is constant, right? So its derivative is equal to 0. Now, since we are looking for dy over dx at this point, substitute 0 for x and 1 for y. So 0 here, 1 here, 0, 1, 0. Then we have e to the negative 1 times 0 minus dy over dx minus 1 plus 0. 0 times dy over dx, that's 0, right? So all of this thing is equal to 0. So negative 1 over e times dy over dx, this is minus 1, so equal to plus 1. Therefore, dy over dx is equal to negative e.